Are you a teacher and are you facing a problem of handling difficult parents? I know it can be challenging, but trust me teachers, this video is for you. I'm going to give you 5 simple tips in order to handle them in an efficient and an easy manner. The first tip, stay calm, have water, and then with a level head, take what is the right and a better decision at that time. Number 2, thinking critically. Gather as much information as possible and then take a well-informed decision. Number 3, be a good listener. Give parents a patient hearing. Listen to all their concerns. And number 4 is keep the parents updated to the progress of their child. And all the concerns should be handled in time so that such difficulties do not arise. Last but not the least, maintain a track of evidences. Document all the incidents and the conversations so that you can take the relevant decision at that particular time. So teachers, I'm sure this was helpful, and for more tips, stay connected with our educator.